Welcome to the channel. Today's topic of discussion is how FASTag and IoT work together at toll plazas, especially in India. Okay, so FASTag and IoT, both the things are there. What is FASTag? It is nothing but an electronic toll collection system. Okay, and it operates using radio frequency identification, or in short known as RFID, radio frequency identification. Okay, so FASTag is there. Again, IoT means Internet of Things. That is a kind of technology that is also there. So both work together at toll plazas. Okay, so how this technology works? Okay, that is the topic of discussion in this video. So suppose, at toll plazas, RFID scanners are there. They remain mounted on overhead gantry or booms. Okay. So anyway, they remain fixed somewhere at toll plazas. What is that thing? RFID scanners means radio frequency identification scanners, and they continuously emit signals within its range. Range is there. Range is not infinite. It is a limited distance. So anyway, within its range, the RFID scanners emit radio signals. Okay, and when your car, means when your vehicle, whether it is car, truck or bus, okay, so when your vehicle is within that range of signals emitted by the RFID scanners, then in that case, immediately your FASTag sticker, which remains fixed on the windshield of your vehicle, is scanned. So there is a sticker. Sticker means a small chip is there attached to the sticker, and the sticker remains attached to the windshield of your vehicle. So small chip is there, that is a 13-digit code remains embedded in that chip. 13-digit code in India. I am talking about right now only for India, how this system works. Okay, so 13-digit code is there, and that remains remains embedded in the chip. Okay, and that number, that unique code remains connected with your vehicle's registration number as well as your bank account, or if you have prepaid wallet, then with that account, means with your payment system, so that you can pay your toll fee at the toll plazas. And this is automatic system, means the total system is automated where this FASTag works. Okay, so that is the system. So the RFID scanner scans the unique code from your FASTag sticker, and immediately that information is sent to the local server of the toll plaza. Then what happens? Then that information or that unique code, okay, that unique code is verified by a centralized database which is maintained by the National Payments Corporation of India. Okay, that centralized database is maintained in India by National Payments Corporation of India, or NPCI. Okay, and the class of the vehicle is cross-checked. Class means, toll fees are different for four-wheelers, for bus, for trucks. Toll fees are different. So accordingly, that toll fee is decided by that centralized database system. Okay, and simultaneously one more thing happens with the help of that IoT technology. What is that thing? Barrier activation is required, because when your vehicle approaches the gate, so barrier activation is required, so that barrier lifts and you can pass through the gate. Okay, so simultaneously these things happens. So for that thing, cameras are required. Okay, so cameras which are enabled to recognize your vehicle. Means sensors must be there. So that point is known as a barrier activation. Okay, motion sensors are there. Okay, and all these things remain connected by the help of the technology known as IoT or Internet of Things. So your vehicle registration number recognition sensors are there, then motion sensors are there, and they work together to activate the gate or the barrier, so that the barrier lifts and your vehicle can pass. So all these things happen simultaneously. Anyway, after verification of your car's registration number, your payment is deducted from your bank account, or if a prepaid wallet is attached, then from your prepaid wallet. And if there is insufficient balance in your account, whether it is bank account or your prepaid wallet, in that case that will be intimated to you by this system IoT, Internet of Things. Everything is there. Okay, everything is there. Maybe in some cases your account balance is not sufficient. So automatic payment deduction or toll fee deduction from your account won't be possible in that case. So manual payment system is also there. Okay. So why this technology is used? This technology used for the management of traffic well. Okay. And to reduce idling time of your vehicle. That way fuel consumption can be reduced. Okay. Your time can be saved. So many things are there, means many advantages are there over using this technology at toll plazas. Okay, and one more added advantage is that since everything is being noticed by this IoT technology, okay, then overall control over all the vehicles of India is possible, and in future many things will become possible by using this IoT technology in future. Okay, but at present many things can be done easily. Actually, many things are being done easily at present by using this system. Anyway, so this was all about actually what was the topic of discussion here? Just to discuss the technical point associated with this technology. Okay, and the main thing behind this is that RFID reader is there or scanner. So from there, the process starts from there. RFID reader, and the process ends at when the deduction is made and the barrier lifts, so that you can pass through that toll plaza, and everything will be informed. You know, whenever you make any transaction with your banks, in that case, you normally receive a SMS to your mobile phones. Means messages, okay, you receive. So same thing happens here also. Just after deduction of the payment, you will receive an SMS. Or if there is any special app used by you related to toll fees, in that case that app will provide you the correct information, means the time of deduction, the amount of deduction, okay, and the location, means toll plaza's information, in which toll plaza the amount was deducted. Everything in real time you will receive, either through your SMS or through the app. Anyway, so this was all about the topic how FASTag and IoT work together at toll plazas in India. Anyway, so this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video.